Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Airtel international roaming not working. So here's a guide for your IR activation, APN and network select. Fix 1. Check your international roaming pack. Open the Airtel Thanks app. Go to My Plans or International Roaming. Make sure your roaming pack is active. Recharge with a valid roaming pack if needed. Switch to Turn on data roaming. Open settings on your phone, tap mobile network or SIM cards. Select your Airtel SIM, turn data roaming on. Fix 3. Select the network manually. Go to Settings, select Mobile Network. Tap on Network Operators. Turn off automatic network selection. Select a supported partner network in your current country. Fix 4. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone, wait for 30 seconds, turn it back on and check if the network connects. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, go to System or General Management. Tap Reset and then go to Reset network settings. Restart your phone and try connecting again. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.